Hey there, wonderful people. Welcome back to How to Channel, where we turn tech tips into pure entertainment. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with our latest videos. And if you don't, well, my goldfish might just forget who you are.
What?
All right, today we're diving into a topic that's super important for all age groups. How to block 18+ content in Google Chrome. Because let's face it, sometimes you just don't want your browser turning into an unintended field trip to the Wild West of the internet. Let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Yes, that's right. The very same browser you use to watch cute cat videos and, well, this channel. Step 2. Click on those 3 little dots in the top right corner. They look like a tiny traffic light that says, "Hey, click me, I've got secrets." Step 3. Click on the Settings button. It's like opening the treasure chest of browser controls. Exciting, I know. Step 4. Scroll down and find Privacy and Security. Click on it. This is where Chrome hides all the good stuff to keep you safe and sound. Step 5. Keep scrolling until you see Use Secure DNS. Click on that. It's like giving your browser a security upgrade, kind of like putting a lock on your front door. Step 6. Click on Choose Another Provider. Step 7. Choose Cleanbrowsing, Family Filter. It's like hiring a really strict nanny for your browser. No funny business allowed. And finally, Step 8. Restart Google Chrome. This gives it a fresh start, all clean and safe from the dark corners of the internet. And there you have it. Your Chrome browser is now squeaky clean and family-friendly. If you found this video helpful or at least a bit amusing, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Or else, my cat might just decide to rearrange your desktop icons. And trust me, no one wants that kind of chaos.
Okay.
See you in the next video, and stay awesome.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody.